Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to bring this to you today. We went online shopping to get all of Wyatt's summer stuff. Hey Betty, my kitty's here. And I was a little bit nervous only because I wasn't sure if everything was gonna fit. I had to get him shoes, I had to get him a hat, I had to get him swimwear, basically all his summer stuff, because Carter's had a huge sale and I wanted to take advantage of it. I'm a little bit nervous about the shoes, but I'm gonna go through everything. It came all packaged up in a giant bag, right to my front door, which was great. It did take probably like 2 weeks to get here. I got an email basically saying it could take up to 28, but it only took a couple weeks, and they give you tracking info once it is shipped, which is awesome. So I have the receipt of how much everything cost and my giant bag of goodies here, and I thought I would just go through and open it up and kind of explore it with you. I did open up, I think, the shoes just to try them on, but other than that, we're opening everything kind of together. So the first thing I got was this snack cup. I really do enjoy these ones only because like they have the lid. I know a lot of them you can buy that don't have the lid and they just kind of like snap on and snap off, but these have a lid, so I find they just kind of keep the snacks a little bit more fresh throughout the day. And then if your kid's anything like mine, like it doesn't spill as easily, and then they're easy to open for them with flaps. So that was kind of great. It's just by Skip Hop. So the next thing that I'm gonna show you is the shoes that I already opened. They're just adorable. So they're little I guess dino sneakers. So they're super cute. I'm obsessed with these. Can't get over them. Next up is this hat. I opened this up as well only because I wanted to check his head. I have this Canada Day hat from last year and it said 12 to 24. So when I bought him 12 to 24, because that's what he is, I didn't think it was gonna fit, but this hat does fit, so that's awesome. It's just a little like plain Oshkosh hat. Pretty basic, but they didn't have a huge selection for like little boys. So these next shoes I bought, I'm definitely gonna keep the tag on only because I might have to return them. He has a little pair of Crocs that I was going off of. They're size 6 and they're like a little bit too big. But then I bought these and they just seem like they're huge. So we'll see what happens when the hotter months come. But I bought him these little water shoes. So they're just like dino, super cute, strap on. So these are size 6. I just thought super practical for the summer and outside because like my parents have a pool and all of that. So he's gonna be outdoors a lot. So I got him some swimwear, and all of these clothes sizes are 18 to 24 months or 24 months because he's currently in 12 to 18. So one of his swim shirts is the sloth hanging around his neck, and I bought that to go with these little sloth like swim trunks. So they're just sloths surfing around. So that'll go together and look super cute. I'm pretty excited about that. And then the next swim outfit that I bought him is this as a top. So it's just a shark coming up, you know, like hey. And his dad picked out these trunks only because his favorite color is red. So it's just like red, there's sharks and geckos and they're just cute. So it'll match well with this shark top I got him. I guess his feet grew a bunch in the last few months because all of his socks don't fit anymore. So I did just pick him up like some socks. They're just pretty basic. I'm not gonna like open them up because they're just 12 to 24 months socks. 6 pairs, variety of colors. So, and then the next thing I picked up, I feel like I need to come up with other like words for what's coming next, but I got him a sloth romper. I couldn't resist. Like the sloth stuff's just super cute this year. And I don't know, I tend to go with the trends of the year, so sloths are in. Just got him like another sloth t-shirt, but like the face of it is fuzzy, so he should have like a good time with that. And it's just a little sloth hanging, just super cute. And then these are just shorts, so they're just jersey knit shorts. I got black and beige. I think you could get like a navy and striped one, but I wanted to get pretty plain shorts just because of, I don't know, how I like to dress, I guess. Like I like plain bottoms and then like a fun top, so these are just a couple pairs of shorts with drawstrings that don't work. Yeah, that don't work. This paisley shirt, it's marked at 14, but I got it for 7, so it was 50% off, and I couldn't resist. It was so freaking cute. So it looks like a bandana. It's got a little pocket. I don't know. I thought it would look super cute on Wyatt. He really looks good in anything, so. So we're down to the last item of my kind of like basic summer haul for boys. This is my favorite thing. It caught my eye right away. And basically it's just this banana overall set, and it says handsome on the pocket. Okay. And then it just comes with like a gray t-shirt to wear underneath it. So like, it's just so cute. Yeah, I couldn't leave that. So I picked that up. And I'm super impressed with how everything came. Like they emailed basically saying that they were taking more precaution in their packaging and their selecting and like their staff and all that. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed, and it did come pretty quickly. I mean, I did order it a couple months in advance. I recommend that to anyone because I have a feeling in the next month or so, like people are gonna be going crazy and buying all the summer stuff online. This is just to get Wyatt started. I'm still like hopeful that stores will open back up and I'll be able to like go browse and stuff, because online shopping's hard. You like, I don't know, if you're anything like me, you'll get your cart so full and then you'll be like, no, I don't need that, no, I don't need that, no, I don't need that, and then you get all your stuff and you're like, probably could have used that, or I thought I got this, but then it turns out you took it off your order. Well, yeah. But anyways, c'est la vie. He's got a pretty cute summer haul going, and I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll have to let you know about the shoes because I really don't know if they're gonna fit or not. But anyways, if you like this, make sure you subscribe and let me know in the comments below if you want to see more of some hauls and all that. I mean, I don't shop very often, so usually when I get a big thing like this, I definitely film it for you guys. And yeah, like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you hate me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.